Hello, my name is Brendan Shank with Creative Bus Sales, and today we're going to be showcasing the Lone Star ProMaster 3500, a low-floor, full-size ADA van by Forest River. This vehicle's powerful V6 engine provides nearly twice the fuel economy of typical V8 or V10 engines found in your traditional shuttle. As a result of the smaller engine, operating costs of the ProMaster are much lower, while also granting the vehicle a high-quality, comfortable, and quiet ride for passengers. The ProMaster has a 5-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is the longest available in its vehicle class. The ProMaster also offers an optional 7-year or 150,000-mile warranty through Chrysler. The lowered floor system eliminates steps into the vehicle, making boarding and deboarding safe and easy for ambulatory passengers. The low floor also keeps the manual ramp at a low angle to allow for easy boarding and deboarding of passengers using mobility devices. This vehicle's floor plan arrangements are very versatile, with options including different styles of ramps, CNG tank space, various floor heights, and many seating layout options allowing up to 14 seats and up to 2 wheelchairs. This vehicle can be customized to fit your needs. The ProMaster 3500 has a high roof, allowing your passengers more standing clearance when walking through the vehicle. This vehicle has also been fitted with 32-inch clear opening bus-style doors. The front-wheel drive powertrain in the ProMaster allows for a completely modified lower floor system without modifying the OEM suspension system. The vehicle also has a variety of options for wheelchair attachments. Unlike vehicles where wheelchair attachments would need to be put aside and a bag when not in use, this vehicle comes with slide and click storage baskets to make your attachments accessible, convenient, and neat when not in use. This vehicle has a very tight turning radius, making it perfect for maneuvering through residential streets and parking lots. For added safety while driving this vehicle, it comes standard with a rear-view camera and remote heated, folding exterior mirrors. This concludes our vehicle showcase. If you have any questions or are ready to purchase, please give us a call at 888-633-8380 or visit us at creativebussales.com. This is Brendan Shank. Thank you for watching.